Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pearl from SINOMADA. Today we are honored to visit HAOBOC. This is a factory focused on manufacturing intelligent and innovative machinery. Here we found a very interesting machines, which is specially used for urban construction, renewable and agricultural construction. This is a 38 meters track-mounted concrete mixer pump. The pump adopts the DONGFENG chassis with high-power Yuchai engine. Now let's see more features about it. The overall width of this machine is 2.55 meters. The overall height is reached 3.98. The overall length is 11.98 meters. The front and rear outriggers make it stable in work. The back sections are zinc boom to reach 34 meters fabric radius. The 2 cubic meters disc mixer can help commercial and self-mixing materials, help customers save large costs. This is a new type of concrete equipment that integrates mobility, mixing, pumping, and material distribution. Combine the advantage of concrete mixer truck and concrete mix pump truck. It increases construction efficiency and reduces construction costs. If you have needs, welcome inquiry. Just call us. See you next time.